In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the current date in Google Sheets. If you want to quickly add today's date to your spreadsheet, Google Sheets gives you a few simple ways to do it. And I am going to walk you through each one clearly so you can use the method that fits your needs. Let's start with the fastest keyboard shortcut for adding the current date. If you are using Windows, click the cell where you want the date to appear. Then press Ctrl and the semicolon key at the same time. This instantly inserts the current date into that cell. If you are on a Mac, the shortcut is Command and semicolon. This is a great option when you want to enter a fixed date quickly without typing anything manually. If you want to insert both the current date and the current time together, T here is also a shortcut for that on Windows. Select your cell, then press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and semicolon together. This will place the current date and time into the selected cell, which can be especially useful for timestamps or tracking when something was updated. Now let's look at formula-based options. These are helpful if you want the sheet to calculate the date or time automatically. To insert the current date using a formula, double-click the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals today, open and close parentheses, and then press Enter. Google Sheets will display the current date in that cell. One important thing to remember is that this formula is dynamic, which means it updates based on the current date rather than staying fixed. If you want both the date and time with a formula, double-click a cell, type equals now open and close parentheses, and press Enter. This will display the current date and the current time together. Just like the today formula, this one can also update automatically. So it's useful when you want a live timestamp rather than a permanent one. The main difference between shortcuts and formulas is that shortcuts usually insert a fixed value, while formulas can update automatically. So if you need a static date for record keeping, use the shortcut. If you want a live date or time that changes as needed, use the formula method. Thanks for watching.